Electric.
Really? The brother is electric.
I think it's electric. It gotta be.
Man, this is fucking cool. Everyone is good. I think are they charging it back? It's fucking cool, bro.
It's cool?
Yeah.
That is the bad guys.
That's nice.
There is this place for your clothes, there's robe, there's safe, and electric kettle, cup, coffee, and all that. Whoa! Hair dryer and coffee cup. Then, oh, these are luggage. Then there is this mirror here. Oh, look at my boots. I just need to find you today. Yeah, coming to this area, the bed. Yep. Telephone, TV. Nothing much is going on here. Then there's this painting. It's nice. And then the aircon is over there. Then what else? There's balcony. Where you can just sit. The view is not that nice, as you can see. It's more like we're in the village. But anyways, the hotel is nice. I don't know. How did they open this door? Hey, I don't know how to open this door. Oh, okay. Let's see it. So, I have this. There's pool. The only one. Let me leave here before they copyright my video now because of this one. I think this is just for relaxation. Yeah, that's all for that place. So let me show you guys the bathroom. Let's go to the bathroom. Yeah, so this is the bathroom. This is neat. That's important. Toilet, washing hands, sink. Dental kits. towel, and a nice mirror here. So this is the sticker they gave us, the people that picked us up at the airport. I don't know if you can see what is written on it. BBE travel and tours. Well, they are the one that picked us up, but anyways, we planned our trip ourselves. Yeah, so that will be all for this video. See you guys when we go for activities tomorrow. Hopefully it will not rain, because throughout today it rained, and let's see how tomorrow will look like. So if you watched to this point, thank you very much. Please do it to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Voucher what?
Bending down like this. So basically this is on here. Yeah.